Introducing the Crisafulli Rotomite SD110, a self-propelled diesel-powered dredge engineered for high-performance sediment removal in demanding environments. The SD110 is part of Crisafulli's trusted line of manned dredges. Powered by 142 horsepower, it delivers up to 1,400 gallons per minute of pumping capacity and can transport slurry up to 1,500 feet without the need for a booster pump. It's the ideal choice for industrial lagoons, wastewater treatment plants, mining operations, and environmental remediation projects. Fully self-propelled, the SD110 uses dual hydraulic propulsion for precise maneuvering in confined areas. Its shallow draft design allows operation in depths as low as 18 inches, while still maintaining stability in open water. At the heart of the SD110 is a ladder-mounted, direct-drive submersible pump with an abrasive ready chrome carbide impeller. The hydraulically driven cutter head agitates and breaks up compacted solids, assisting in creating the slurry for efficient transport. The system is built to handle abrasive materials while minimizing wear and downtime. The SD110 is designed for single-operator use, with intuitive joystick controls and clearly labeled instrumentation. From the operator's seat, all dredging, propulsion, and ladder functions are easily managed. Available in open canopy or enclosed cab configurations, the workspace is built for visibility, comfort, and all-day productivity. Ease of maintenance is a hallmark of the SD110. All critical service points are accessible from deck level, with minimal tools required. Heavy-duty components, abrasion-resistant materials, and Crisafulli's industry-leading support keep your dredge in the field and on the job. Whether you're clearing industrial waste, removing tailings from a mining pond, or restoring capacity in municipal lagoons, the SD110 delivers consistent, high-volume results. Its adaptability makes it a valuable asset across multiple industries and applications. Manufactured in Glendive, Montana, and backed by over 50 years of dredging innovation, the Crisafulli Rotomite SD110 combines proven engineering with dependable performance. The Rotomite SD110. Rugged, reliable, ready. Learn more or schedule a demo at crisafullipumps.com.